Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is whatever, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session.
Eureka!
This one is called Everrise. Guys, Everrise is taking the buyback method from the traditional stock market and brought it to cryptocurrency. Their innovative buyback feature is changing the game. Hundreds of new tokens have forked or copied their proprietary code already, guys. It's absolutely revolutionary, something that we haven't seen done in cryptocurrency space before. Even in this bear market, guys, their market cap is still extremely undervalued, $20 million, and they've managed to grow to over 46,000 holders and 30,000 Telegram members in just 1 week. The development team also has huge plans to build decentralized apps that address some major issues with the current industry. In today's video, guys, I want to go over a little bit of an external review here on Morio.com with a coin introduction on what is Everrise and what is Rise token. Following that, guys, we're going to go over some Coinmarketcap data and Coingecko, as well as showing you how to purchase the token via their Trust Wallet app, etc. This article starts off by explaining that Everrise is a hyper-deflationary token which rewards investors for holding their tokens while also incorporating the buyback approach currently presented in the stock market, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video, guys. They are the first cryptocurrency ever to include automatic buyback. What is buyback, you may be asking? If a particular stock has a low value, guys, but the potential to perform better in the future, often companies will announce a buyback of the stock in the open market. Once companies announce the buyback, investors gain more confidence to purchase and hold the stock as well. Additionally, guys, the demand increases as the company starts buying the stock, which ultimately will drive the stock to rise. At Everrise, they chose to apply the buyback concept to cryptocurrency and encourage investors to hold the token. Why invest in Everrise token? Well, guys, the token holders are not only benefited through static rewards, but also by the buyback process of the contract. As part of the buyback process, contract takes care of buying back some of the tokens and burn them whenever a sell happens. In a nutshell, guys, 98% of the time, you will not see 2 sell transactions at a time. There will be never 3 sell transactions continuously at a time either. So what's so good about that? There are 3 advantages, guys. The rise in value. After the tokens from the liquidity pool are bought, the new BNB amount is added to the pool, and the amount of the tokens are reduced, which results in an increase in price. Number 2, free BNB. Once those tokens are burned, guys, it's like adding free BNB to the pool as there are no tokens to sell in the future. Their trust and reliability. Investors can be relentlessly hesitant and often get spooked by a bearish market. Because of the buyback, investors will never see more than 2 sells at a time, and 98% of the time, they will only see 1 sell as there will be a buy from the contract. Their Ever-own app. Investors are not aware of the issues when ownership is renounced and the project goes bad. Owners are not ready to renounce the ownership because it used when some things need to be changed. They're coming up with their own decentralized app called Ever-own. This is maintaining the ownership of the contract rather than the owners themselves, so that if there's something that needs to be changed, the owner can reclaim it with the community's acceptance. The bonus holder advantages: 2% rewards redistributed on every transaction. Join a trusted network of investors who are confident in the buyback contract and understand the potential for growth in implementing this concept. Once the investors know that the contract always buys after every sell, they feel confident about the rise in price and continue holding. As for the tax breakdown, guys, we have a 2% rewards for the holders, 3% marketing tax, 6% buyback tax, and 13% slippage. Examining the tokenomics, guys, they have a 1 quadrillion initial supply. Dev wallets have 5% of this, market and promotions 4.5%, private sale 18.5%, pre-sale 40%, liquidity 32%. Their private sale price 110 billion tokens, guys. Pre-sale price 100 billion. Pancake swap 100 billion. Sliding over to Coinmarketcap over here, guys, we have Everrise token ranked at number 2,553. They are on over 12,593 watch lists. That's a lot of watch lists, guys. People are watching this token. We have had a little bit of price action movement in the last 24 hours, guys. We're down about 9%. Not surprising in the bear market that we're at right now. Their fully diluted market cap is over $56 million, guys, and their 24-hour volume is over 10 million. That is up 10%, guys, as well in the last 24 hours. As mentioned, guys, we've seen some significant price action with this token since they have launched. We have had significant gains, guys, a few ups and downs, but definitely ending off on the uptrend. especially at the start of July 2nd. We hit a new all-time high over here, guys. We have pulled back a little since, and we're hoping to rise right back up. Right hand side here, guys, we have some more data like their 24-hour low and 24-hour high, as well as the price change, their trading volume, their market cap, market dominance, market rank, etc. Sliding over to Coingecko, guys, we have similarly almost the same information here. Again, a lot of people are watching it. They have over 4,700 likes on Coingecko. As mentioned, the price action took a little bit of a hit overnight, guys, around 9% down, but that's no reason to worry at all. 24-hour trading volume a little over $8.6 million. If we scroll down to see the chart, we have all of our price action here. And on the right hand side, similarly, Coinmarketcap, we have the rise price, their market cap, the trading volume, 24-hour high and low, as well as their all-time high and all-time lows. Here's a video, guys, on another YouTube channel showing you how to purchase the Everrise token. Enjoy the video. Make sure and subscribe to this gentleman's channel as well.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Angelo Crypto. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to buy Everrise. Everrise is a token that is trending on Coinmarketcap.com. It's also trending on Coingecko. So before we continue, guys, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is only for entertainment purpose. Before you invest in any token, any coin, you should do your own due diligence. And also, you should invest what you can afford to lose, because cryptocurrencies are so volatile. So let's go. To buy Everrise token, you will need to download Trust Wallet. So go to App Store if you are a brand new investor and download Trust Wallet, Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So you are going to download it and set up your account. After you're done with setting your account, you are going to buy some Binance Smart Chain. This is the Binance BNB with a black logo. So you are going to buy it. You are going to the right corner and hit buy. So you are going to use Simplex. Next, you are going to put your card information and everything. You can buy it with a Visa or a MasterCard. So after you bought it, you are going to receive your Smart Chain Binance here. The transaction can take like 5 minutes. So after you bought it, you are going to open a browser, Safari or Google Chrome. So I'm going with Safari. In the URL, you are going to type pancakeswap.finance and then go. So you are going to connect your wallet. Connect. You are going to use Wallet Connect, and then you are going to choose your wallet, Trust Wallet. If you have another wallet, so just pick your wallet. So this video is done with Trust Wallet, so I'm going to pick Trust Wallet, and then you are going to hit Connect. You can now go back to your browser. So I'm going back to my browser, Safari. We can see that my wallet is connected to PancakeSwap on the right corner. Now, to buy Everrise, you are going to the left corner. You are going to hit the 3 bars. Then trade, then exchange. So in the right corner, we can see that the wallet is disconnected. So we are going to connect the wallet again. Connect, wallet connect, Trust Wallet, connect. You can now go back to your browser. So I'm going back to my browser, Safari. The wallet is connected. The Binance is already there. So I'm going to select my token, the token I want to buy, Everrise. So this is Everrise. You can see it. I'm going to import it. Import. I understand. I check it. And I'm going to say import. Now you are going to put the amount of Binance. I will put 0.001. Done. So before you swap, so I will put 0.2. So before you swap it, you swap to get your Binance coins. It's important to set up your slippage tolerance to 15% or 12% or 13%. So you are going to hit the setting, the three bars in the right corner. So, and then you are going to set up your slippage tolerance to 15%. And then you can swap, confirm swap, and then you can hit send. You are going to receive your Everrise token on Trust Wallet. This is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Stay tuned for more follow-up videos on Everrise, guys. This is a top 2021 project that we are definitely advocating for. Make sure you do your own research and check them out. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Group hug. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Huddle Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.